Today we are making a salad that's not only delicious but is also packed with nutrients to support healthy glowing skin. Hi everyone, today's recipe is just like an alphabet song for your stomach but way more delicious. We are tossing together all the ingredients to give you a glowing skin, help you see that glow better and keep your gut healthy for a stronger you. And for the final flourish, this ginger lemon dressing is packed with so much flavor. This salad is so good that it will make you want to write love letters to your salad bowl. It's zingy, it's tangy, and it will kick any sluggish digestion into a high gear samba. So let's make it. Let's start with A for apple. Today I'm using a tangy, sweet, crisp Fuji apples, but you can go for any apple you prefer. Granny Smith, Honeycrisp, Gala, they all work beautifully. We are cutting the apple into thin matchsticks. First cut the apples into half, slice the apple, flip those slices and then cut them into the thin matchsticks like this. Cutting them thinner makes it easier to mix later, but you can adjust the thickness based on your preference. Apples are loaded with antioxidants, particularly vitamin C, which brightens the skin and helps to maintain a youthful glow. One drawback of cutting apples is as soon as you cut them, the apple turns brown, but you can do a simple step to prevent that. Take a fresh lemon, squeeze it over the apples. This step not only adds a wonderful tangy flavor, but also the lime juice in them prevents the apple from oxidizing and turning brown. Now on to C for the carrots. I have not forgotten B for beetroot, but just saving that for later since beetroot can color the entire salad. So first we'll cut the carrots. Start by peeling the carrots and then trimming the ends and then cut the carrots in half so that you have more control while slicing. Now just like with the apple, cut the carrot into thin strips and then into matchsticks. You can vary the thickness depending on what you find easier, thinner or thicker as per your choice. One of the most important flavors in this simple salad is ginger, that is packed with antioxidants and enhances the body's natural immunity. Make sure to use the fresh ginger as it not only makes it more flavorful but also easier to work with. If there is any peel left, remove that first. Slice the ginger carefully. Cut it into thin strips. Ginger adds a zesty kick to the salad and aids the digestion, making the salad not only delicious but easier to digest as well. Now we come back to B, the beetroot. Start by peeling the beetroot and slice it into the rounds. Beetroot not only adds a sweet and earthy flavor but is also packed with folate, antioxidants, both of which are excellent for maintaining a glowing, healthy complexion. It's no wonder that beetroot is often called a superfood for the skin. Once you have the slices, stack them and then also cut them into the matchsticks. We are also adding some fresh mint leaf. Mint adds the refreshing flavor, helps in digestion, but make sure to pluck the leaves and discard the stems. They can be too tough for the salad. Now it's time to bring everything together. Grab your bowl. Add the apples, carrots, beetroot matchsticks, toss in the ginger strips, grate a bit more ginger directly over the salad. Apples are already coated with lemon juice, but beetroot and carrots, squeeze in some more lime juice for that fresh tangy kick. Add in chopped mint leaves and season with a pinch of salt, freshly crushed black pepper. Give it all a good mix so that flavors combine nicely. Your ABC salad now is ready to serve. This vibrant, nutritious salad is a fantastic way to nourish your body and support your skin from inside out. When you are ready to serve, just serve it in the plate and finally top it with some crushed pistachio. I have sliced it with a slicer. You can just pound it and crush it and use that. This recipe serves one, but feel free to adjust the quantities based on how many servings you are making. And if you do try this, let me know in the comments below what do you think of this recipe. If you love healthy salads like this, you can check my salad playlist. Be sure to like this video and hit that subscribe button. Zingy, it's tangy and it will kick
any sluggish digestion into high gear, Sama. Take my word for it. This salad is so good that you guys have to try it. And if you do let me know how it turned out for you. And if you like to watch more such recipes, do hit that subscribe button, like this video and share it with your friends and family. I'll see you with another recipe in the next episode. Till then, happy cooking!